Now, next part is options dashboard. I think this is one of the most used feature on OPSTRA, and this is also free. The option algorithm is not free, but this is free. Now, this is useful because you will know what is the current implied volatility, and this is based on current front month options. Okay, the implied volatility, and what is the IV change, what is the implied volatility rank, if you're somebody is looking at implied volatility rank, and what is implied volatility percentage.
This
And
is
then we
not
have
possible
some.
for weekly, right?
It is possible. Then we have to make another separate one, separate
No, no.
tracking.
I mean, as of now, it is not for weekly.
No, not for weekly.
Okay.
But we can add if that is the requirement.
Yeah.
And then we have a straddle. Straddle is a premium as a percentage of future price. So basically, it is nothing but what is the how much premium you are getting if you are doing a short straddle, right? So higher the premium, the better for you to do short straddle, right? Okay. And then there is a price and price change. And in addition to we also show the liquidity of that particular options at that point of time. It's not a continuous liquidity, but at that point of time, based on previous day data, the turnover of the derivatives, we calculate liquidity, whether that particular FNO stock is liquid or not at that, day.
So
And
orange
then,
means it is liquid, and gray means it is not liquid.
yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yellow means is liquid. So what happens is that, when the results are close by, then those certain kind of stocks go into liquid mode.
Right.
For example, Aarti Industries, it's not liquid during normal times.
Right.
But when the results are about to be announced, then they go into then there is some decent liquidity comes into picture. Another thing we give is that the result that if it is green in color, then you know that there's an upcoming result that is coming. And if you hover on it, it will show when that upcoming result is. So it's coming on 5th February 2022. So now you can, if you're somebody who is doing option strategies only for, let's say, result oriented,
Pre-result, yeah.
yeah, pre result strategies, right? So you can filter it to earnings only. So you get only the green ones here, and among these you want only liquid ones. So you filter for liquid ones. So you get earnings ones which are about to announce their earnings, and the ones which have good liquidity. And then on top of this, you want to have those FNO stocks where there is a good implied volatility, which means good premiums in their options. And then you choose high IVP. Okay, so using three filters, you can filter out what are the best available FNO stocks to do these. Some people do short volatility strategies or some other strategies. There are different ways to do option strategies, right? So as you can see, all these three filters are helpful to narrow down what are the stocks you might want to focus on to do these options strategies. So
Just next to
that's
the refresh button, what are these two? Yeah, those two.
yeah. So this is a table view, and this
Okay.
is it's this is not looking good.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh yeah, now it's better. I don't know for when filter is applied, it becomes. It's
Okay.
nothing but it's another way of looking, but
Yeah.
it's not practically usable. It's the same data, but in a better looking way
Yeah,
about
the
it.
table is better.
Table is better. That's why by default we show the table. And you can also, let's say, you can also, TCS Infis over, or
We have
maybe Maruti, yeah,
monthly. Yeah.
it's good. So you can focus on that particular option. Just simply search for it.
Okay.
And always, if you want to have some more information, you can go and read about that. And here, if you click on this, it will also take you to the EOD charts. For example, I want to, let's check Maruti, for example. Okay, I want to click on that. Then it will take you to the Maruti IV charts, EOD charts. So how IV is doing. Okay. So this is the IV. So the IV is, if you look here, actually this is going down IV. So
Mm.
usually before the result is announced, always the IV goes up. If you see here, this is result before the result is announced, it goes up. So this time it's not that not high, to be frank. So things like that, you can check from there.